I don't know about that. Yeah, you can have different messages. Well, I'm not.
Now, Jay will show you how to put some excitement into it.
Hey, that's what's the coolest thing. What's the story about hitting trees? Is it fun now or what?
It's exciting anyway.
Bud Destin.
Flare!
Yeah. I hit the tree
What? His nose cone was ready to come off, too. Three-legged dog say, "Notice me, Dad, notice me."
No way.
What happened? Will got him.
Hey.
She's like, "Notice me, Dad, notice I got 3 legs."
Look at me.
Look, Dad, I got 3 legs. Look at your nose. What you did to your nose cone?
Tell ya.
That was from the near whack. The near whack took your nose cone just like that.
Yeah, what do you want from an Arrows glider?
Yeah.
Little Velcro?
So, now when they want to know who's Jaybird, we'll put it on there. The near whack.
The near whack guy.
Whee, that's a good dog. That's a good puppy. That's a good dog. Poor 3-legged dog. And Dad doesn't even notice you got 3 legs. Look at it. She's like, "Dad, look. Look, Dad.